Hi. Let's talk about appreciation and recognition. To start with, I want to thank you for watching this video. I appreciate your interest in the subject and in your belief, I guess, that I can offer you some ideas and insights. And I guess it's pretty obvious what I just did there, of course, but here's the thing. My appreciation for your watching this video is sincere. And you'll note that I was specific about what I was appreciating, that you're interested in the subject I'm talking about, and that you have at least some belief that I might have something worthwhile to offer on that subject. There are two key aspects of giving recognition and appreciation as a manager and leader, and let's be real, as a human being, right, in the world. There are altogether five, so there are three others, and let's go down that full list. But first, again, thank you for taking time out of what I know is a busy day. We're all busy, right? To watch this. And so I'll briefly introduce myself and then get to the heart of the topic. I am Grace Judson. I'm a leadership geek, which means I'm a leadership development trainer, coach, and consultant, primarily for small and medium-sized businesses who want to help their managers cross that Grand Canyon-sized gap between being an individual team member and being a people manager. There are loads of resources on my website. Check that out. The link's down below in the video description. Okay, enough said on that. There are 5 steps to giving meaningful recognition and appreciation. First, be sincere. If you're appreciating someone just to check off a box on your to-do list, well, you're not going to be fooling anyone, right? You know that. You've experienced insincere appreciation. They'll get it and they'll feel anything but appreciated. It's a quick way to destroy trust and motivation. So be sincere. Pick things that you can legitimately and really and truly appreciate. Second, be specific. It's nice to say thank you for something. It's kind, clear, and effective to be specific about what you're saying thank you for. Thank you for preparing that report. I especially liked how you put together the financial information to make it easy for everyone to understand. That's the kind of thing I mean. Now, why is this important? You probably know why. I'd imagine that you felt a difference when I said it. Even though you weren't the one who prepared that imaginary report, you could feel what it would be like to be recognized so clearly for something so specific. So you're accomplishing 2 things by being specific. You're letting the other person know that you really did pay attention to what they did, which makes it feel that much more sincere. And you're encouraging them to keep doing the thing you're acknowledging. The more anyone tells us that we did something well, the more likely we are to keep doing it. Okay, third thing, be quick. Recognize and acknowledge someone's good work as quickly as possible after they did whatever the thing was that you're recognizing. Waiting until the annual review, neither you nor your employee will remember the specifics and it just won't have the same kind of impact. And even waiting until a regularly scheduled one-on-one meeting is a bad idea for the same reason. Do it immediately, in the moment, as close to the moment as you can. Okay, fourth point, recognize in public. You don't have to make a big production out of it. Some people won't like a big production, introverts for example, but it's great if there are others there to witness that you are recognizing someone's accomplishment, someone's ability to do something. It improves everyone's state of mind to see someone acknowledged for their work. Which brings me to the 5th and final point. Make sure you spread recognition around. Because if someone does good work and doesn't get the acknowledgement, but sees others being appreciated for their work, you'll leave a trail of frustration and resentment, and that is not what you want. Okay, recognition and appreciation are not hard, and they're not complicated. It's a matter of, as the saying goes, catching people doing something right. But since our brains are hardwired for seeing what's wrong, because after all, that's how our way back when ancestors survived, spotting saber-toothed tigers lurking in the underbrush and running away, instead of focusing on the positive and missing that danger, it does require a little bit of attention and focus to really, like I said, catch people doing something right. And it feels really good to acknowledge someone's effort and good work. So it's one of those really pretty rare, truly win-win-win situations. Your team member wins, the people witnessing win, and you win. So there you have it. 5 steps for getting really good at appreciation and recognition. And if you have questions or if there was an aha moment here for you, please do leave a comment. I always come back to answer. I appreciate comments. And if you liked this video, click that thumbs up. If you're not subscribed yet, go ahead and subscribe. Click the notifications bell so you'll know when I release a new video. Check out the links I have included down below for more material on all of this, and go forth and find someone to appreciate. Take care.